Hello everyone. I would like to add one more point regarding this red hat. I already told you when we wear this red hat, it is directing us to say about our feelings, emotions and intuitions based on experience. When we wear this, we can say, I like that idea, I don't like that idea. We can say about our jealousy feelings, fearful feelings, sad feelings, happy feelings, etc. Anything can be told without any need to give any justification. Whenever you heard about that topic or whenever you heard about the decision, whenever you heard about that problem, whatever you feel inside, whatever you feel immediately inside, that can be expressed outside. Okay? When we wear this. Clear? Good. The next important thing is sequence of using these hats. There is no right sequence. Any sequence can be used. You can use all these 6 of them, or you can use 5 of them, 4 of them, 3 of them, 2 of them, even single one. That is based on situation. That is based on your requirements. Okay? Good. But before solving a problem, try to use all the hats. Okay? It is situational. Any sequence can be used. Any sequence which makes sense to think. That will work. Okay? Good. And one more important thing about this 6 thinking hats concept is our mind is like a vacuum. It never remains empty. It has to have some kinds of thoughts all the time. Our mind holds only one thought at a time. It also changes its thoughts very quickly. So that we have to know about this 6 thinking hats concept properly. If you know, you can solve problems, you can take decisions very easily, very effectively. Okay? Good. Let us know about the benefits of using this 6 thinking hats concept. The first benefit is, first of all, we have to understand thinking is a skill. You know, the potentiality of the mind is intelligence, and the skill of mind is thinking. We all know that all skills are learnable. This thinking as a skill we can learn very easily, but it takes a few days of practice. Got it? Good. And another benefit, second benefit of using this 6 thinking hats is it allows us to deal with one thing at a time. It allows a thinker or thinkers to deal with one type of thinking at a time. Instead of thinking about many things at the same moment, it allows us to think about one type of thinking. That may be information, that may be emotions, that may be creative thinking, that may be risky thinking, that may be beneficial thinking. Okay? It allows us to think about one thing, one type of thinking at a time. And another benefit is it allows us to change our thinking. It asks us to change our thinking without hurting anybody. For example, in a meeting, one person is persistently being negative or thinking only in negative way. Then we can ask that person to change his thinking from black hat to yellow hat or green hat without hurting him. Okay? And another benefit is when we use this 6 hats concept, the persons who are sitting in that group or team to discuss an issue, to solve a problem, to take a decision, we can use all of them's knowledge, intelligence and experience in full. Okay? And another benefit is very important benefit which we must know is it removes the ego from us. Generally, ego means giving importance to ourselves, thinking that I know everything, I am always right, I don't need to listen somebody else's words or somebody else's advices. If we think like that, that comes under egoistic feelings. We have to keep ego aside and we have to have parallel thinking. That is a similar thinking. Okay? Good. You know, when we are egoistic persons, for example, if we are very enthusiastic about an idea or a suggestion, then we don't see negatives in that idea. We don't consider risky points sufficiently. If we don't like an idea or a suggestion, we don't like to see positives or benefits or values in that idea or suggestion. That's why we have to keep our ego feelings aside and we have to think only in these 6 directions. Okay? And one more benefit is it saves lots of time. The persons or institutions who used this 6 thinking hats concept, they all gave feedback. They all told that it saves lots of time, from days to day, from hours to hours. Even in minutes also we can take right decisions, we can solve problems very easily without hurting anybody. Okay? And last benefit is the final decision makes itself. When we come to final blue hat, the decision seems to make itself. Everybody, the persons who present in that meeting, they can understand what is our final decision, what is our final thing which can be solving that problem. Okay, it's very easy to understand. That too, based on our resources, our strategy, our policies, our ethics, our values. Okay, good. Please know about the 6 thinking hats concept. Okay, very useful. All the best. Thank you all for watching.